In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you will be all fine. Inshallah, today we will discuss about exercise number 2, question number 6. Find the HCF of the following by prime factorization. Students, we cover question number 5. Now we start question number 6 of class exercise of exercise number 2. So you know very well HCF. HCF means highest common factor. So we solve this problem by highest common factor. So first of all, question is there 82 and 128. So we written here 82 and find the HCF. So you know very well here 2. So we divide here 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So here we written here 4 and 2 1s are 2. So now you see here the prime number is 41 and you see here we use here by prime factorization. So हमें मालूम प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन के जरिए ही हमें क्या करना है, इसको HCF मालूम करनी है इस क्वेश्चन की. सो प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन, अब यहाँ प्राइम नंबर आ गया. प्राइम नंबर क्या होता है? प्राइम नंबर ऐसा नंबर होता है जो खुद से और एक से डिवाइड हो जाए. सो 41, अब ये टेबल 41 का टेबल 41 पर ही जाएगा, 41 से ही कटेगा. सो 41 1 जा 41. हेयर वी राइट हेयर 1. Similarly 128. Now we find 128. So you see here last digit is 8. So we write here 2. So 2 6 are 12. 6. 2 6 are 12 and 2 4 are 8. Here you write here 4. Now you see here 4. So we write here also 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Again we write here you see 32. So we write here 2 2 1s are 2 and 1 will be 2 6 are 12. Now 2 8s are 16 and 2 4s are 8 and again 2 2s are 1, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So we write here 82 is equal to 2 multiply 41 and 128 is equal to, here you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 times 2. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here you see here first common factor is 2. So highest common factor will be 2. Answer. Now we solve another problem from your book. I solve question number 2 of question number 6. So I remove this question and written here part 2. So part number 2 is that 94 and 142. 94 and 142. Students, page number, look here, page number 25. You see some problems. We write here question number 2, 94 and 142 of question number 6 part 2. Similarly, I solve this question by this method. So 94 and 94 will be divided of 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 4 and 1 2 7s are 14 and 47 ones are 47. Similarly 142. So 142, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2. So 17, 17 ones are 17. So we write here 94 is equal to 2 multiplied by 47 and 142 is equal to 2 multiplied by 71. So here you see the first common factor is 2. So highest common factor will be 2. Students, you see here highest common factor will be 2. हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर में मैंने आपको बताया था कि हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर अगर हम देखें कि पेयर एक पेयर बना तो एक पेयर बन गया। अगर सिमिलरली यहाँ 47 है और यहाँ भी 47 है तो ये पेयर दूसरा पेयर बनता तो यहाँ भी हम पेयर 47 लिखते हैं। लेकिन अब आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ ये कॉमन नहीं है, पेयर नहीं बना तो हमने एक पेयर का क्या किया, कॉमन ले लिया। सो कॉमन फैक्टर विल बी 2। सिमिलरली यहाँ भी हमने ऐसे ही किया, 2 कॉमन फैक्टर, यहाँ 41 है, अब यहाँ कोई 41 है, यहाँ 41 मौजूद नहीं है। सो कॉमन फैक्टर विल बी, हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर विल बी 2। सो आई थिंक इट्स इनफ फॉर द डे। इंशाल्लाह ताला वी विल मीट अगेन एंड you solve some problems, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5, question number 6, same method. So it's enough for the day. Inshallah taala we will meet again. Allah Hafiz.